60 years. It's been a trip. It's been a long journey, and it's not finished yet. I'm carrying on. I started as an apprentice mechanic. I was an indentured apprentice, which meant I had to sign a contract till I was 21. So I was an horse electrician then for probably about another 5 years. Then in 1971 they made me foreman down there. And from then up to about 2013, I was in charge of the workshops.
Not only is it an exciting occasion, it's 60 years is certainly a record for the group. And having spoken to Steve, he's looking forward to celebrating his 65th, which is a real mark of the individual. But it also fits in with our core values of respect, recognition, opportunity. So it cuts right through the core of the business. So not only is it great to recognise that with Steve, but I think it also demonstrates to colleagues all around the group what can be achieved with dedication, commitment and some passion for the job. He's stuck with it. He's stuck with the business, he's stuck with the facilities, and actually when you talk to him and you'll realise he attacks the day with the same energy, passion and commitment that he did 60 years ago.
It's been incredible. Nice trip on a steam loco with my wife. We'll be looking forward to that. Got 60-year certificate, letter from the Big Chief. I would, Robert, like to thank everybody for what's gone on over these past 60 years. It's been really good, fantastic in fact.